In this video, we will be teaching you how to do a 3-site Skinfold Caliper test for males and females. The learning objectives will be how to understand how to properly do a 3-site Skinfold Caliper test, how to identify the 3 sites for each gender, and how to calculate the body density according to the measurements you find. This technique is based on underwater weighing, and it is used to determine the client's body fat percentage. The 3 sites of measurement for a woman is the triceps, the superilium, and the thigh, and for a male, it is the chest, the abdomen, and the thigh. Some tips to remember when doing a Skinfold Caliper test include taking all of the skin folds on the right side of the body, grasping the skin fold firmly with your left hand while measuring with your right hand, taking a minimum of 2 measurements per each site, making sure that your client is not wet or just exercised, and making sure that you don't use the same site repeatedly to avoid any injury. The first step when doing a skin fold procedure is to firmly grasp a fold of your client's skin between your thumb and index finger and lift this up. Remember, this skin fold should only include the skin and the subcutaneous fat, no muscle or fascia. The second step is to place the calipers at a 90-degree angle to the skin fold, approximately 1 centimeter below the fingers. You will then release the handle of the calipers and read the needle to the nearest 1 millimeter. The first Skinfold site for a female will be the tricep. To identify this, you will take a vertical fold. It will be at the posterior midline of the upper arm. It will be halfway between the acromion and the olecranon process, and the arm will be held freely to the side of the body. The second Skinfold site for a female will be at the suprailiac. You will take a diagonal fold, and this will be at the anterior axillary line. This line is located immediately superior to the iliac crest in line. The third and last Skinfold site for a female will be at the thigh. This will be a vertical fold. It will be at the interior midline of the thigh and midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease. The first Skinfold site for a male will be at the chest. It will be a diagonal fold, which will be a 1/2 of the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple. The second Skinfold site for a male will be at the abdominal. This will be a vertical fold, and it will be 2 centimeters to the right side of the umbilicus. The third and final Skinfold site for a male will be the thigh. This will be a vertical fold. It will be at the anterior midline of the thigh, which is midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease. Once you've collected the data, what you could do is you could follow these very elaborate equations and input your measurements and calculate them yourself. Or you could just take the easy route, and you could follow the link down below and plug in your input numbers into a calculator, and they will take care of the rest. Thank you for watching our video.